Every year, the Nile River brought life and chaos. Massive floods submerged the fields, erased land boundaries, and left the farmers of ancient Egypt confused. Who owns this land? How big is it? No one knew. Until finally, Egyptian surveyors discovered the key that changed everything. A triangle. Yes, the simplest shape that saved a civilization. By using the properties of triangles, they created a method to remeasure land lost after the floods. They drew lines, calculated angles, and divided the land with precision, thousands of years before modern mathematics was born. This technique became the foundation of geometry, a science that would later influence the Greeks, the Romans, and even our world today. And all of that, thanks to one simple shape capable of solving a massive problem. The triangle that saved ancient Egypt.